Every time when it comes to planning and land, there are issues, there are doubts, there are allegations of corruption. As you mentioned, there are clear examples of haphazard planning. Nilesh Babu, what happens? Because we have seen this from probably last 1.5 decade, from the regional plan 2011, from that agitation till now, we haven't been able to settle our planning problem. What's wrong?
See, basically, it starts with the type of people that are employed with the planning and development authorities. With the exception of the member secretary, who is a qualified planner, most of the other staff do not really qualify as planners. As a result, they are more involved in only scrutiny of files which are submitted to the authority for approvals. As the name suggests, Planning and Development Authority, the authority is required to take up planning of a proper place. If that is itself not present in that expertise itself is not planning with is available with the authority, how do you expect that you will see results on the ground? It is not going to happen. Planning, the draft outline plan ODP need not necessarily be opened every 10 years. Planning is a dynamic process. Why not do it on a year-to-year basis? Why not do it on a quarterly basis? What is wrong? If as an owner, I feel that my property needs to be monetized, then the outline development plan should provide me with enough potential so that I can monetize my land holding. Okay, this is not to say that I go on a rampant building exercise. There are other ways of monetizing your property which is followed all over the world. For example, in most of the older cities of Europe, they did not allow building in the city centers. Instead, the city centers were pedestrianized. As a result, the towns over there still retain their ethnic character.